they just left it. So now
Look at that beauty.
It's a Hollywood studio. They brought him out there for a movie. Really? Yeah.
That is so cool!
That's how they got there. Because they're native to the Northwest. Yeah, they're not all native to California. Not at all.
Because that's the native.
Yeah, much less than I am.
Follow me, I know the way. Oh my gosh, are we gonna film the diorama? This is Ian's favorite thing in the whole park.
It is. I mean, the train in general, but especially the diorama.
Yeah.
Because especially if you don't know what's there, you're like, oh, a diorama of the Grand Canyon. Then you get to this primeval world, you're like, what the hell is going on?
By the way,
wonderful.
I feel like I can safely tell you now, Ian, because I'm going to release the Adventures Through Inner Space video before this video comes out. The diorama, the dinosaur diorama, was originally intended to be part of Science Land.
Huh.
They were going to build a science land, and one of the attractions was like a time travel attraction. And they would go back in time and see the age of dinosaurs.
So the problem with hearing about great rides that never happened is that you feel sad that they're not real.
Triceratops have a chance.
I mean, the T-Rex got those tiny arms.
And the whip thing, and the tail thing that he could probably...
I think the Triceratops
We're now referring to our own
he has more... The T-Rex only can really use his mouth.
Right, that's true, huh? So if he can keep his distance...
Or just, maneuver around better.
Yeah.
Right?
It's kind of like the way that, like a small wrestler can defeat a large wrestler in WWE.
Like, King Kong versus Godzilla. One is massive and has clear atomic breath. The other's a monkey.
But it was going to be in Science Land, Ian. There was going to be Edison Square, Liberty Street, the time travel whatever ride, the Protozoa ride, which was the...
Did you say Protozoa?
Protozoa ride.
Like Xenon Girl of the 21st century?
No. The Protozoa ride
That's not what they're
was the...
I'm glad you thought about that, but that's not what he's getting at.
Was the predecessor or the beginnings of Adventures Through Inner Space.
Boring.
Yeah. And also a like a space travel thing that I guess would have expanded upon the already in existence Mission to Mars.
Mission to the Moon?
Mission to the Moon attraction. All that was going to be in Edison, in Science Land, that was going to be built basically in the space of where Space Mountain is.
Okay.
And all that.
Oh yeah, because there were a couple of ideas for extensions off of Main Street.
Right, and they were going to use some of that backstage area that still hasn't been taken now. But they've been trying to use that backstage area.
At this point, some of they use for turning the parades around. At this point, if they're running a parade, they need that space to be able to move this
you can't just
around.
Everything has a cost.
Yeah, so to lose that space, so they'd be very pressed to make any parade ever be able to go there.
Yeah.
Because they need that for turning around.
Because I mean, but you know, thinking about the dinosaur, you know, why is that there, right? Like, why is?
I'm so glad it's there though. I
know,
that.
but it makes no sense in the context of a train ride or in Tomorrowland.
That's one of the things. Well, I think they didn't have anywhere else to put it.
Well,
and they're like, well,
we built it.
This tunnel isn't really Tomorrowland. It's not in any other land, so this is the only place where it reasonably makes sense.
Yeah.
It's just as its own thing where you're traveling from the future tech of Tomorrowland into the past of Main Street, but just way further.
Yeah, we are going through time from Tomorrowland to Main Street, but just not far enough.
But you know, I am some of the things I'm forever glad it's there, and it's such an odd space that they could never really replace with anything because there's just offices below it.
Right.
Like, it's one of those spots that are pretty safe from ever being touched because there's nothing else you could do with this space.
Right. No, that's true. That's a fair point.
Yeah. Look at his hair.
What's going on with these two dorks?
We're supernovaing.
I thought you were protozoaing.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Oh, it's the same.
Boom, boom.
I completely forgot we're on a train going around the park and stuff. By the way, I guess it goes without saying, the Disneyland Railroad, super peaceful. I could ride around on this thing all day too.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Did you guys hear the gunfire just now? Yeah, there's probably a dead hippo or two in there.
They fired they scared them.
We all fired up.
You weren't there for my favorite skipper that
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station.
Ricochet. Were you?
To pass through the wilds of adventure.
Really?
He was
It
great.
may seem peaceful.
And he was so like,
It's a real jungle out there.
like he was. It
So
was
be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails.
Like
Like a jaguar.
like a Black Panther?
T'Challa?
Just ahead is
Right here.
New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country.
There he is.
If you'll be leaving us here, please
Wakanda forever!
complete stop.
You gotta.
And watch your step as you're getting off.
Wakanda?
For those of you continuing on this place for Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh,
I want that cast member as my
Ray
friend.
Rabbit,
All right.
Rare Bear.
Well, we're gonna have lunch at Hungry Bear. Maybe you can go make friends with her.
She's not at Hungry Bear. She was at.
Should be very close. Right here.
Wow, I can't.
It's not too hot for that, right?
I'm
As we
blind.
steam past
Okay.
Hungry Bear
Ooh, we're
Restaurant,
steaming past Hungry Bear.
Hey, I'm fine. Have you ever seen
we're now
Onion
turning up
Arcus?
the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago.
Of course.
This is my
Then how
favorite
come you
part.
never know what I'm doing when I do that?
Does
Do what?
it bend?
I'm fine.
Natural beauty is
Oh, I don't know.
It doesn't trigger you?
No. Boomstick. Give me some sugar, baby.
That's it?
No,
that
Nick
entire,
2, whatever.
So the little ashes,
Yeah.
that whole little scene, that's what it's from. Because they're like messing with each other.
I remember it. I just don't.
And the little, the little ash is like, I'm fine. And then the
The little mini Bruce Campbell.
yeah. I almost baseballed that needle.
People like
Is
you
that
have
the
been riding
office
these
your
rails
husband
since the
was speaking of?
1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty
I've never heard of that
downright
either.
unbelievable. Like on Big
Her
Thunder
husband was telling me
Mountain,
this
where I hear
entire story, and I'm like,
spirits of
I've
Grand
never
Gold,
heard
those mining trails,
lick
turn them
this.
into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
But whatever his story, I don't know how long ago that's been known.
And he doesn't know.
And he doesn't know either because I was like, I don't even know if that would still be a thing because of how much stories I've
never
changed.
heard that until you told that to you. And I thought,
Disneyland Railroad. What a lovely adventure that was. We're on our way now to Fantasyland to go meet some princesses.
I feel like there's a missed opportunity right here.
Oh, what do you mean?
They're not painting the roses red.
Oh, there should be somebody there.
They should be painting those
Yeah.
roses
But some of the
red.
others are red.
Oh, they are.
They've already gotten to those.
Opportunity not missed. opportunity
That was
handled.
Wasn't that something from that horticulture tour from several years back?
I think you're right. I think
They
you're
don't
right.
offer anymore, which is a damn shame.
Yeah, there was a. Oh, the horticulture tour. Yeah, yeah. They kind of covered that.
You guys got to do that?
Yeah.
Remember
Well, you
those
were
are-
supposed to go,
That
but
was
he
the
went.
one that I did.
Yeah, that's the one you missed.
And
Yeah.
they're like, "No, you
That's
can come." I was like,
why Ian
That's
saw
what
it.
it was.
Yeah.
My horticulture heart.
Yep. You would have loved it.
And they don't offer anymore.
You would have literally loved it. I see it. Yeah.